as somebody ages, it's less about the clinical aspects of their care. They certainly do need clinical care, but it's more so about the care of their spirit and the care of their being. Valley Residential is a very special place because it's a different type of assisted living. This is true apartment living, separate living room, separate bedroom, private bath, giving people that dignity and sense of personal space and independence, but yet always being near care when they need it.
I love it. Everything is just unbelievable. You come in your room and it's like home. You can do anything you want, decorate any way you want. But look at the beautiful room I got, and the sun coming in. Oh, I love it.
I'm a loner, and I've got a great little apartment to hide in.
I think it's important to give the residents that live here the sense that they're still in charge of their care as well as in charge of their person. They're coming from the community where they've been very independent all of their life, and we want to continue to promote that independence the best we can.
Well, they help me maintain a lifestyle, a good lifestyle, a healthy lifestyle, because I know what I need, and they make sure that I'm taken care of.
And the activities here are nothing but fun. If you don't really want to join in, there's other things to do. If you want to go to your room and be quiet and do your games, puzzles, arts and crafts, or sew, or whatever it is, you really have to see it to believe it.
When I was living at home by myself, I had no idea what I was missing.
The social isolation that comes from aging is probably the biggest issue for seniors. It's bigger than any medical condition, is that sense of social isolation. So the sense of connection, belonging, and being purposeful again cannot be underscored. So what Valley Residential strives to do for its residents, in addition to having a beautiful physical plant with every amenity, from a gym to a hairdresser to a beautiful dining room, it's about engagement. People need to be engaged. It's a reason to get up every day. We all need that.
Whoever comes here they just aren't lonely anymore. Even families that think that their family members are okay at home, they're lonely, and when they come here, they are not.
My favorite thing here is being able to go down and have lunch with the girls, because when you're used to living by yourself and you're able to talk to people and listen to their stories, it makes everybody feel close.
My friends here are very important to me. It's just like we've known each other all of our life. You know, we just took off. And we can't wait till she'll say, well, you want to do this, we can do that. It's just like I go back to high school, because it's just like you've got these new friends. I can't wait to get up in the mornings.
I can build you a 5-star Taj Mahal facility, and it will not matter if the people inside are not as 5-star amazing as any physical plant I build.
The staff really sincerely care about the residents. You could just see in walking around how special it is, the relationship between the staff and the residents.
They're always there. If you have a problem, they're working it out for you. They make you feel comfortable and at home.
And it's hard for me to get dressed in the morning because of my stroke, but they're right there to help me. And they'll help me take a shower and wash my hair. Oh, it makes it so easy.
The worst feeling for all of us is to think that your loved one needed someone and no one was there. You hear all the time, somebody says, my poor mom, she fell and she laid on a floor for 6 hours. We didn't know it. She couldn't get to the phone. No one knew. Those stories haunt you. And this is one of the key aspects of this environment, knowing that that will not happen, that there's always someone to know.
It is great to have people around that take care of you. Something that I haven't had in a long time.
Don't be alone. Life's too short. Enjoy every minute you can. And they're here to do anything for you.
And it makes your quality of life better.
They're part of a family here, and I think that's pretty special.